So once again, good morning friends, myself Utkarsha, I am from your motovlogs. So today friends, I will give you review for my riding gears which I am using since last 1 or 2 years for my riding. The first look, you have seen the jacket and the padding, the inner liner, my gloves and my protectors and my 2-3 more gloves. So I'm starting the review with my jacket, which is a Rhinox GT3, and it comes with the sea level 2 protectors. And here you can see the Probiker paddings for my legs and also for my elbow also. And this is the back protector which is inbuilt in jacket. You can see the quality of this protector, and it is sea level 2 protector. And this is my gloves. This is full gauntlet gloves from XTS Extreme, and comes with these types of protections. And you can see on the gloves also the marking of XTS branding, and inside look, it look like this. And this is my inner liner for my jacket, winter inner liner. You can see this is inner liner, and all gears it's placed at one place. You can say that it is the property of rider. And this is Probiker gloves with the protectors. It is my tertiary gloves. I am using this in city rides and local rides, and in winter I am using these types of gloves for my city. And in highways I am always using this full gauntlet gloves, which is having XTS Extreme padding over here present, and it is from inside also very hard, and the protectors are very good. So all these things are bought by me over a period of a time, and I will share the links. If you want to buy all these gears, I will share the link in the description box so you can buy from there. And these are also very good gears for a starter period of your riding. You can wear this and ride around, not super bikes I can recommend, but on bikes like Royal Enfield, Dominar, you can use this gear. This is the first line safety precaution. And you can also wear helmet with this, and I will give the review of my helmet also in some time. I will review, and stay tuned for that on my channel. And these all gear. And the make of this jacket is a messy thing, which is a polyester, and inside look of the jacket is like that. It is a casing for back protector, and all protectors are placed like here. You can set like here on elbow, on shoulder. So, and it is provide these chains for incoming air. So please friends, like and subscribe my channels, and I will share you these types of vlogs every time for my gears reviews. And this is the whole thing I want to show you today. And thank you friends for watching my channel. Have a nice day.